Good morning. Feeling 1,000,000% better, as you can tell. Thank you for asking. Right, we've got to go and look at 2 new jobs today. Both domestic. I've got to say, I do love going back to a bit of commercial. I do miss it. I did it for 10 years. I do miss it. But domestic pays the bills. Don't say no just because you're a snob. Right, let's go and get James. We've got to look at 2 jobs. And we're going to go back to the rewire and start doing some second fixing, and we'll see if we can film a little bit of it. Right, he is here. He's there. Can't see you, mate. Oh well. Can't see your good looks. No. But anyway, we just went to look at a little job, and some apps.
They are there.
They are. I will cut it out. Broke into 101 nearly year old lady's house. So the police have advised we do two floods and a camera. So we do a 1 camera system. I won't tell you too much about it, obviously, but we do a 1 camera system and 2 floodlights. And the cottage is the oldest cottage in the village, so you need to put down below James or Chris to go in the loft to do the job. We will get the job because we will get the job, but so if you want James in the loft, it's a James, and if you want me in the loft, it's a Chris. So put your comments down below, and whoever gets the most James's or Chris's will be going in the loft to do that one. Go look at the next job, then we're actually going to do some work. Right, we are waiting for our delivery from TLC. Look, they've done these lovely windows. We're just second fixing the TV sockets. They're going in white because they're behind TV. Cat 6s, we're just waiting for the Euro modules. What we'll do with these is leave the slack in the wall for the next bloke. Don't pull them tight, you never know. Well, we're going to fit some fly ears because we can. Why not? May as well do it. One out there. Some guys strip them back, leave a loop. You can do that. I might do that on this one. I'll show you that actually because it's long enough. Sleeve him up, bring him back out, keep him continuous, but take it to the back box first. Right, so back in the day, we would have twisted these 2 together, which would make it a nightmare for testing for the next bloke or whoever comes behind us, yeah? So what we'll do, we'll take that one to there, bend him, not cut him, put him to the back box, and we'll have enough left to connect into the socket. Okay, I've sleeved up one bit, I've doubled him over, not cut him. That will go into the back box, and then that's your bit that will go into the socket. Okay, nice 35mm deep box, doubled over as I said, and ready to do second fix. Right, anything on show is getting like an antique brass. Bed. So we're just going to strip them, get them ready, and then when the client give us the sockets, we can just get them on quick. And most of the work is just stripping the cable, so it'll all be done ready for us. Right, I'm just going to second fix these, leave the switch lines and the feeds not connected. So we've got switch line goes up to light with a neutral. Those 3 going away go in the back. If you buy Hagar switches, they give you a loop in for the neutral now, which is good. Got a feed in, feed out, in from the board if you like, one to the next switch, and then 2-way, which will connect to that switch there, and then goes to that switch there. So we'll have an intermediate and a 2-way there. So any position, the lights can be turned on and off. This will have a dimmer here at the door position. So I'll flag these up brown. You can identify switch double over. These will get brown sleeve in. 3-core brown will go in the common, and then feeds and a black L1 and switch line and a grey L2. As long as you replicate it at end, it doesn't matter. Okay, so a rewire, I went to recently look at that bit rewired. The guy hadn't actually fitted any grommets. You are meant to. Do you bother, or would you just leave this? Obviously I'll fit one. James has gone to get them. We just wanged these in the other day, but yeah, I'll fit them. So generally on a plastic light switch, you'll just terminate this earth into this lug at the back. We've got metal face plates, so you need to run a fly lead to the front plate. You can't just rely on these 2 screws. They actually give you a connection on the metal face plate. Right, my last switch is an intermediate, so I'm going to put these 2 browns in a Wago. We're going to flag up these blacks and greys. Essentially you'll get a switch with 4 terminals, as long as you do them opposite on each side in the same cable. That's an intermediate switch. So you'll go on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. You finished? Yeah. Yeah. He's finished, look. No, he's finished, look. He's finished. He's finished, isn't he? He don't know. Strip them. Are you going to fly lead these up?
Yeah, I was going to get it now.
Oh, are you? Okay. Is that my screwdriver down there?
Yeah.
Okay. Bad boy. That's the brown sleeving I wanted. James. So how tight are you with your brown sleeving? Are you there, or are you like me? Only joking, big and beautiful. Get away! Well, we just had a super duper delivery from TLC, and I'm not blowing my own trumpet, but I told them to stock these, and they now stock them. So if you shop at TLC and you want to get fire guards, that is because of me and James moaned at the Oxford branch. I hope it's not just Oxford. I hope it is actually the whole national TLC. They now do the fire guards because of us, yeah? Remember that, James? James is knocking off some ends. I'm knocking off 2 spotlights up there. And I have done an ACO smoke detector up there, okay? Doesn't need them in the bedrooms because we've got a protected passage all the way through with fire doors with intermittent fire strips on the frames there. You straightened it up, yeah? Yeah, that's to get your screwdriver in. That's got to go miles high, mate.
That's why it's smooth.
We'll get the laser on it in a minute. You did those ones, didn't you? Now we got these little man roasts. Man roasts. I've got a question. James went out at the weekend with a friend. James. A female friend. And there could have been a male friend.
It wasn't.
I was a female friend. It wasn't a date, but he never paid for the food. Is he right in doing that? Did you split the bill?
Yeah.
Or does she pay for yours?
No, we didn't split the bill.
Oh! Huh?
Split the bill.
She bought yours?
No, she's not like mine.
So she drove and he didn't get the bill. So if it was me, if the female was driving, obviously not now because I'm married, but I would have got the bill and she did the driving, so that would be my little token gesture. But yeah, he didn't get it. But let me know down what you think. Would you have got the bill or not? Right, we are done up here for now. We're waiting on the client to get us some bits, sockets and that for the bits and bobs. Right, we've cleared up, look. We're going to go now, because we've got a scaffold up, because they're doing some work on the chimney. We can go and put these 2 grills up on the outside for the fans, because if we don't do it now, we won't ever get to it, will we, mate? So there's the fan run and man rows. Look, the man rows. I very nearly drilled into the chimney breast there. The chimney breast's about there. I'll show you outside. Just about missed it. Just a little bit there, James. Look. And then we're going to go down here quick. We've got 20 minutes quick. 20 minutes to burn. To be fair, we could just put them on tomorrow morning. Yeah, we do them tomorrow morning because I'm not rushing. Yeah. Right, in here, look. I counterbatted this ceiling. They had to keep this because it's a heritage job. Heritage, yeah, something like that. We've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 spots. We've gone for V50 because they're 2 inches. And then in here, we've still got the fire guards. 6 in there. 5 in there to do. How many's in here? 10. 10 in this bedroom because we got this beam. 3 and 7. And then 3 to find in here. So we're going to crack on with those now quickly. While we're just unpacking these, the reason I like these lights is, should have unpacked this before I started speaking. Do it one-handed. Right. Do it one-handed. Look, there's the IP20 bezel, literally open, and the IP65 is the same bezel with the glass. So the front is IP65 for the bathrooms, okay? A lot of the IP65 bezels you see, they sit back there and you lose a lot of light, don't you, James, inside the light. It looks crap, it's about 1 inch back, but these completely sit flush, the same as these. So we think we've found them. They've put some insulation in. I've taken it off the top of the lights anyway. They are coverable, but it's always best to not cover them. That's a loop to there. That's a loop to there. That's one switch in case they wanted to switch them separately above the bed because it might annoy you with your eyes. Because head of bed's there, feet is here. James has just braddled up. We've got 2, 4, 6, 7 here. And we found these 3 in here fairly simply. These ones we did mark up. Obviously, this wall has come in since. This wall's come in since, and this wall's come this way. So they're all out a little bit, but they'll all be in line, and they'll all be straight. So we're just going to drill these out, fish them out, and then we're going to bugger off, and we'll be back tomorrow. Woo! Right, found all the spotlights. 3 along there, not in line. That's them 2 are. That one's this way because they got a bigger gap. And then we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Found those. We got to cut these ones out tomorrow. We got 2. We got a smoke head here in line, 4, 6, 8, 9, and then we got 6 in here and 5 in this bathroom to do, which have just started to tile up. Yeah, 2 wall lights, shave a socket there, which we'll cut out tomorrow, and the fan which goes up there. So yeah, it's getting there. All right, another day done, another dollar earned, as they say. We'll see you tomorrow for another exciting episode of How to Be an Electrician. Look, that oil light comes on when I park on the slant. Give us your comments down below. Let us know what you think about the things we've discussed in today's video, and we'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.